Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, chapter 9 we have completed. Today we will start new chapter. Chapter 10 Decimal Fractions. Okay. First of all, I will tell you what is decimal fractions. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or multiples of 10. I repeat, a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or multiples of 10. That is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. For example, 5 upon 10, 9 upon 100, 1 whole, 8 upon 1000, etc. are decimal fractions. Okay. Now, how to read decimal fractions? For example, 5 upon 10. We will write this number like this. Okay. The digit after decimal point is read one by one. I repeat. The digits after the decimal points are read as one by one. How? We will read this number as 0.5. One more example. 8 upon 100. We will read this number as 0.08. One more example. We will read this number as 0.015. Like this we will read decimal numbers. Okay. The next point is place value. For example, 3129.275. And this number, this one is integral part. Integral part is whole number. Okay, and this one is decimal part. Okay, before decimal point, all these numbers is whole number, and after the decimal point, this one is decimal part. Understood? Now, how many decimal places are there? We can see here, after decimal, 3 digits are there. So, it is having 3 decimal places. Okay? It is having 3 decimal places. Why? Because after decimal, 3 digits are there. Understood? Now, and this number, the place value of 3 is 3000. Place value of 1 is 100. 2 is 20 and 9 is 9. Okay. Now, the place value of this 2 is 2 tens. Place value of 7 is 7 hundreds, and the place value of 5 is 5 thousands. Okay, we will write the place value of this 2 like this: 2 upon 10 or 7, 7 upon 100, and of 5, 5 upon 1000. Okay. The next is expanded form. It means we have to write the given number in expanded form. And we know that the decimal place of 8 digits, that is 468.356. 400 plus 6 tens plus 8 ones plus 3 tens plus 5 hundreds plus 6 thousands. Okay. Now let us write 400 plus 6 tens means 60 plus 8 ones 8 plus 3 tens, we will write 3 upon 10 plus 5 hundreds means 5 upon 100 plus 6 thousands means 6 upon 1000. Okay, it is expanded form of this number. The next is types of decimal fractions. There are 3 types of decimal fractions. First, like decimal fractions. Second, unlike decimal fractions. And third, equivalent decimal fractions. Okay. First of all, I will explain like decimal fractions. If 2 decimal fractions are having equal number of decimal places, they are called like decimal fractions. Okay. For example, 0.03, 0.12, 0.54 and etc. We can see here after the decimal point 2 digits are there. In each number after decimal point 2 digits are there and they are having 2 decimal places. We can see both are equal. Decimal places are 2. That's why it is called like decimal fractions. Okay. Now, second one, unlike decimal fractions. If 2 decimal fractions are having different decimal places. For example, 0.2, 0.1, 1.325. We can see after decimal point 1 digit is there and this 2 digits are there and this 3. We can see in this example decimal places are different, so it is called unlike decimal fraction. Okay. Now third, equivalent decimal fractions. For example, 0.5, 0.50 and 0.500 etc. We can see all are having equal value. This one is equal to 5.10. This one is also 5.10 and this one is also 5.10. We can see all are having equal value. That's why it is called equivalent decimal fractions. Okay. If fractions are having equal in value, that is called equivalent fractions. Now, comparison of decimal fractions. How to compare the given decimal fractions? Okay. For example, 15.23 and 12.56, and we have to compare, means which one is greater. For this, we compare whole number. Okay, we can see in this number whole number is 15 and in this 12, and we know that 15 is greater than 12. That's why 15.23 is greater than 12.56. Understood? One more example. 15.05 and 15.12. If whole number is same, then we compare the decimal fraction by their tens. Means it is same 15 and 15. So we will not compare. Now we will compare the decimal fractions by their tens. Tens means this one. And we can see here at tens is 0 is there, and in this number 1 is there. And we know that 1 is greater than 0. That's why 15.12 is greater than 15.05. Understood? The next example, 0.05 and 0.02. We can see here whole number is same and the decimal fraction at tens is also same. Now we compare the decimal fractions by their hundreds, that is 5 and 2, and we know that 5 is greater than 2. So 0.05 is greater than 0.02. Like this, we will compare decimal fractions. Understood? Now, rounding of decimals. First, to the nearest tens. Second, to the nearest hundreds. And third, to the nearest thousands. To the nearest tens means 1 decimal place. Okay. For this, we see the digit in the hundreds place. I repeat. For nearest tens, we see the digit in the hundreds place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then we add 1 to the digit in tens place. Let us see. For example, 1.12, and we have to write rounding off decimal numbers to the nearest tens. I have told you for nearest tens, we see the digit in the hundreds place. We can see the digit in the hundred place is 2, which is less than 5. So, answer will be 1.1. We will not add. Why? Because it is less than 5. Okay. Now, one more example. 1.15. And the digit in the hundreds place is 5. It is equal to 5, so we will add 1 to the digit in the tens place. So answer will be 1.2. Okay. Now to the nearest hundreds. For nearest hundreds, we see the digit in the thousands place. Okay. For example, 1.125, tens, hundreds, and thousand. The digit in the thousands place is 5, which is equal to 5. So we will add 1 to the digit in the hundreds place. So our answer will be 1 decimal 1 3. Okay, I repeat. This one is equal to 1.13. Okay. One more example. 2.264, and the digit in thousands place is 4, which is less than 5. So we will not add 1. So our answer will be 2.26. Okay. Now third one, to the nearest thousands. For thousands, we see the digit in the 10,000s place. Okay, means tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. We can see the digit in the 10,000 place is less than 5. So our answer will be 0.576. In this number, we will not add 1. Why? Because it is less than 5. That's why. Okay. Now here, the digit in 10,000 place is 7, which is more than 5. That's why we will add 1 in the hundreds place. So our answer will be 10.75. So our answer will be 10.752. Understood? So the students, for today only this much. In next video we will do exercise 10A. Okay.